Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of Anker's PowerPort Plus 6. This is a 6-port USB wall charger, one of which is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port. It supplies 61.5 watts of charging, so in theory you could maybe charge a MacBook Pro off of this? I don't know, we're about to find out. On the back, it shows you the diagram. You plug in one thing and it splits it off into a bunch of others. It's got fast charging, multi-device, high-speed charging. Bottom, we get some information. I don't know how well that's showing up on camera, but that is 61.5 watts total wattage. The input is 100 to 240 volts at 1.5 amps. Some quick charge and power IQ info. So let me grab my sad, depressing little knife right here, and we'll cut the box open. Actually, real quick, before I open it, I want to open it. And it tells you some more of the same stuff on the inside. And this is the power brick itself. It comes in two colors, black and white. This is the black one. Alright, well, with the box opened, or in the process of being opened, alright, we get everything we need. We get some cardboard. This is the most important part of this. Do not want to lose that. You get a plastic sandwich here. So take that off. Charger installation adhesive strip. Oh, I guess this is like if you want to stick this to a table or something. You get a cable wrap to tie up your cables. You get the plug cover. That's nice. It's a standard figure 8 AC power cable. How long is this actually? It's got a nice Velcro loop. How long is this? This is 5 feet. So this is a 5-foot cable end to end. Take that, put that off to the side amidst a mess of cables, but you'll see that in a second. And here's the actual power port. So this is an iPhone 10, and this is the PowerPort Plus 6. It's kind of decently sized. The front has a brushed metal looking finish. You've got your Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port up top, and then 5 power IQ ports, regulatory info on the back, and then your power input, which I'm going to plug into right now. Alright, so it's plugged in. Doesn't look to be any power LED indicators or anything, so you just kind of have to assume that it's on and working. Get rid of this packaging. Now you can charge up to 6 devices at once, so long as they don't go over 61.5 watts. And I'm going to show you that in a second. Just for giggles, I want to see if I can charge my 13-inch MacBook Pro. Slide that into the shot a little bit here. Plug in a USB-A to USB-C cable, and then plug it into the MacBook. Oh, it actually does charge. It doesn't tell me how much longer it's going to take to charge it, but it is definitely charging. Let me turn up my volume, plug it in again so you guys can actually hear it. It does charge. Alright, well, that's cool. Can you charge your MacBook? Yes. Should you? Probably not. I mean, it's up to you. You're buying this. This is your call. But now, I'm going to keep this off to the side. I'm going to demonstrate a bit more of a practical use, I guess you could say. Probably the reason you're buying this is to charge 6 devices at once. So I've got a mess of cables over here that you're going to see in a moment, and I'm going to plug in 6 different things. We're going to start with my iPad Air 2. I'm going to put that there. I know it looks disgusting and fingerprinty. I haven't cleaned it in a while. Don't judge. Plug that into one of the ports. Plug it in. And it starts charging. I've got my Hydrobeat illumination speaker. I'm going to plug that in, put that up there for a second. Plug that in. It's charging. I have my press play battery case for my iPhone 10. I'm going to grab another cable and plug that in. And that starts charging. Move this off to the side. Give me some room here. I have the latest battery that I have from Hokanui. I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to plug it into the USB-C port. That starts, it's already 100% charged, but that would start charging. I have my Imuto Leo SL100. and conveniently an iMuto branded cable. This was actually not intended, this is just what I grabbed out of my bin. I'm going to plug that in, and that would in theory start charging. And then just because I'm crazy, I'm going to plug in a wireless charger to the last port, the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port. Plug in a wireless charger, and I'm going to put my iPhone X down on it, and it starts wirelessly charging. And now I have 6 different devices all charging at the same time. This is actually a little cleaner than I originally thought it would have been. Now, if you're a clean freak, a neat freak, and you want to do something like this, you can get same-sized cables and kind of thread them all together. Tie them off with twist ties. Love these things, these are great. But this is just proof of concept. You can charge 6 things at once. You clean this up and I'll tell you a bit more about the power brick. It's not even warm yet. That's impressive. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and we'll talk a bit more about this. So as you just saw, this thing is pretty helpful if you're someone with limited wall outlets and a ton of devices that they need to charge. This comes in 2 colors, as I said before, a black and a white, and on Amazon right now they are $32.99. Surprisingly, they're both priced the same. As you've seen some other videos, some other products, the white and the black color are priced differently. Don't know why that's a thing with most products, but it isn't with this one. They're both 33 bucks. I'll have the Amazon link and the Anker.com link down below. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on notifications with the bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.